friends, we just bought one Redmi's latest model smartphone. So this is Redmi Note 9 Pro. So it has very good features, and let's open and see that how it looks and what are the good features it has. Okay, so this we purchased from Flipkart, and it cost us 13,750 rupees. So just see how it look. Let's do unboxing now. So this is empty box, and so this is the invoice. So the MRP is 13,742. So the inner cover looks like this. So Redmi Note 9 Pro. So let's see what are the features. It has the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, and 48 megapixel quad camera. So it has four cameras. Then display is full HD. Then battery 5020 mAh battery. So it has quad camera. So it has four cameras in the rear side. So it's 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel. Then it has fingerprint and all the normal features. Let's open it and see how it looks. First of all, this is the phone. So you will see the blue color one. Oh, this is the device, smartphone. Let's see the side. This is the SIM remover. So then we have the, okay, it has one uh, cover. So one transparent cover it has it. Then gate. So it has cover and transparent cover. Then we have guide. Then we have the SIM remover. So then we have the actual smartphone. So then we have the adapter charge. So type C cable. So then we have adapter. So these are the items in this box. So this is the smartphone. Let's open and see that. So this is actually Aurora blue color. So it looks very nice and it has very good finishing. So as you see in the video, so this color is for me it looks good. So the feature is it has 64 GB space memory, and this can be expanded up to 512 GB. So and the RAM is 4 GB, and the display size is 6.67 inch full HD display. Full HD display it has. Then the screen, it's already have protected screen protected is there. Then another point is, okay, about the camera. You'll see the backside the camera. So there are four cameras as I mentioned it. So it's little projected outside, but still it looks good, and it has flash. And another thing is it has the fingerprint the right side. So you will see the side. So the fingerprint comes here along with the power button. So and also we have the volume control here. So and come to the top part, we'll see the voice recorder. It has SIM port. So then the back side you will see the ports, chargeable port. Then we have chargeable port. Then we have the headphone port. Then speaker.